Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, June 11th. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend here. Now it's practically summer here for some. So we'll jump right into it. We don't have a lot today, but as this week progresses, we will have more important economic news releases scheduled. So today, basically, we just had the factory orders for April numbers. So March, we had a negative 2.1%. The forecasts were for a plus of 0.1%. And well, we still had a contraction, so negative 0.6%. So factory orders were down again in April. Obviously, not a good sign. We'd like to see that in plus territory, as we want to see some growth in this economy. So we'll jump over to the headline news now. And on the headline news, stock market's down. We had a little bit of a lift earlier on when Spain requests bailout funds for banks, so the investors kind of like it. But what put the damper on it was the Greek. The investors also remembered that there's elections on Sunday for Greece, so they've already basically had elections back in May, and because they couldn't come to an agreement or term as to the government or parliament, now they're going to have basically election 2.0 basically, and this coming Sunday. So because of the uncertainty, unfortunately, places like Spain and Italy are kind of seeing their feeling the wrath of it. So we'll kind of see. This could be Greece's last attempts to remain in the European community or part of the EU, European Union. So we'll see how this comes up, or how this unfolds, or comes to play. So right now, we'll just jump over to the bond market and see what interest rates are doing so far this morning. As we saw, Friday it did come down. It did close that gap. We had that huge opening gap, so we did have improvement on Friday. But as the day progressed, it did worsen. We started about 3 basis points lower, and right now we're back into the 105 territory with a plus 12 basis points. So we're seeing a nice little uptick. I don't see much or anticipate much, at least today, for maybe testing the ceiling. I think we'll kind of remain in a sideways pattern above the 10-day moving average and obviously above the floor, but obviously probably somewhere in the middle here. So our interest rates are probably about the same where we left off on Friday. If they didn't do a price reduction or interest rate hike a little bit on Friday, they probably did this morning as we're on the bottom part of the threshold. But again, the rates aren't, this isn't a huge change, so don't think that this made a big, huge difference regards to pricing on the interest rates. Interest are still at phenomenal rates, and keep that in mind. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Please stop by at Mike's Daily Market Report if you haven't done so, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.